Today I'll teach you how to export data from the database to XML in ASP.NET. So let's start. I am adding an button which will be used to export XML file. I am adding an on-click event handler to the button. Let's move to the code behind. We'll start by adding some namespaces. So the very first namespace is system.data. Then system.data.sql client. And finally system.configuration. So here I have created a string variable, and inside that I am reading the connection string from the web.config file. I have created an object of SQL connection class, and I have passed the connection string variable to it in the constructor. Next I am creating an object of SQL command class, and I am passing the SQL query and the SQL connection in the constructor. Now I am creating an object of SQL data adapter. Then the SQL command object is assigned to it in the constructor. Now I am creating an object of dataset, which will be filled using the SQL data adapter. So here, as you can see, I have started by clearing the response and then setting the buffer as true. Then I have set the charset property of the response as blank. Next I am setting the content type property of the response class. It is used to notify the browser about the file type. Now I am adding a content disposition header. This particular header will notify the browser that attachment is being downloaded, and it will also specify the name of the file. If you don't add this particular header, then the file will be directly opened in the browser instead of being downloaded as an attachment. Finally, the XML file is written to the response, and response.flush function is called, and the response is ended. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. Now I'll click on the export button, and the browser is showing option to open the file or save the file, and you can see the data from the database has been exported. With this we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to export data from the database to XML in ASP.NET. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.